Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. And for this week's Take and Make craft, we are making these Firefly lanterns. In your craft kit this week, you'll receive 3 sheets of cardstock in various sizes. You'll need a glue stick, your coloring supplies of choice, scissors, and maybe a ruler and a pencil. To start, I'm marking off on my largest sheet of cardstock an inch from either end when the paper is facing horizontally. You do not need to measure this out. I'm doing it for the video, but you want it to be roughly an inch. And then I'm going in and from either end the opposite way, just marking 1-inch lines all the way down. Then I can fold my sheet in half and cut along each of those middle lines until I hit the end and then stop, so that I have a little bit of a border. When all of those lines are cut, I can fold my paper into a circle and glue that in place. Next, I'm drawing a couple more 1-inch strips on my half sheet of cardstock. And for the last one, I need 3 of these, and for the last one, I will round the edges so that I can use it as our handle. And then, of course, I will cut these out. Now to make our fireflies, you can make as many or as little as you like. On the first one I made 10, on this one I made 5. So I'm going to draw 5 circles, and then for my fireflies, 1 circle and 2 petal shapes. To color in our fireflies' bodies, I'm coloring in the heads and tracing the wings in black and adding some little lines. And then coloring the rest of the wings in brown. To assemble the firefly, I am gluing the body onto the light and folding each of the wings up a little bit to make them look more 3-dimensional. Now we can go ahead and assemble our lantern. I'm attaching the 2 purple strips to either end and then the handle to the top. And then gluing on my fireflies all over the base. And that is our finished craft. Here is the firefly lantern. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we will see you next week with a new Take and Make craft.